Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another camping product review for you. Today we're reviewing the Forbidden Road 380T 15 degrees Celsius, 60 degree Fahrenheit sleeping bag. We're in Massachusetts here, and I want you to know that we have not hit 60 degree Fahrenheit weather, but I did try this out while camping with Zach last night because I wanted to give it a shot and see what it would do. The temperatures went all the way down to about 45, 47 degrees Fahrenheit, and I did have to swap this out at that point, but I did survive most of the night in 50 degree weather with it. So even though they say 60 degrees Fahrenheit, it can actually take a little bit more and you could still be comfortable, which is a great feature to have. The Forbidden Road warm weather sleeping bag comes with its own compression sack. It has these nice compression straps, and it will fit easily into a backpacking backpack. It's very lightweight too. It's not going to add hardly any weight to your backpack if you're doing that. Again, we just camped out in the yard the other night, so we didn't have to really go anywhere. The bag itself, again, it's meant for 60 degree Fahrenheit or warmer weather. It's filled with polyester and has a nice silky feel to it on the inside. Side also has a Velcro attachment, so that way you can stop the zipper from going down at night. And the zipper itself is really well built. It's a large zipper, and it opens up fully so that you can get on the inside. I had no problems getting into this sleeping bag on the other night. You can also just use it as a general blanket because the zipper does come all the way off at the end, so that way you can just cover up. So let's say that it's a little cold, you're both in warm weather sleeping bags, you would just put this on top and you'll be just a little bit warmer, so you can layer this, which is an excellent thing to do. It's also going to be easy to fit a liner into this. It also has a zipper on the inside, so that if you're on the final inches there, you're trying to get the sleeping bag on you, you can get it right in there. And finally, it has the Velcro attachment to keep the zipper where it is. So the sleeping bag itself is excellent. I had no problems with it. It feels great when you're in it. Finally, you have the compression straps to bring this down more to fit in your backpack. And it's about that size of my arm to fit into your backpack. Forbidden Road warm weather sleeping bag is so compact that I can put it on the bottom compartment of the 65-liter backpacking backpack. And it'll fit right on the bottom and not even in the main compartment right above it. So it's definitely a space saver in warm weather conditions. This is the Morning Top Adventure 65 plus 10 liter backpacking backpack. If you'd like to see a review on this, please look for a link in the description below. I can highly recommend the Forbidden Road warm weather sleeping bag. It did great even below 60 degree Fahrenheit weather for a long time. Again, I only got cold while in it when it hit about 47 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's 13 degrees below what it's designed to handle. It's an excellent sleeping bag, and I'll be using it during the warm weather, obviously. If you'd like to purchase your Forbidden Road warm weather sleeping bag, please look for a link in the description below. You'll be sent to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel at the same time. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all your support. And as always, have a great day and happy camping. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.